Capricorn, Capricorn, Capricorn. 16 to the 31st of January. Yep, check natin. Check natin. Capricorn, birthday season nyo pa rin ngayon. Birthday season nyo. So what you need to know, 16 to the 31st of January. Yep, okay. Shoutout po ako sa mga fellow OFW. Welcome. Kwentuhan po tayo. Kwentuhan at magkape-kape tayo. Let's see. Let's see what Capricorn, ang Capricorn season, what else? What else you need to know? 16 to 31st of January. Happy birthday pa rin. Happy birthday pa rin po sa inyo. One card. Let's see. General reading po. Kung makaresonate, shout out po. Shout out. Kung hindi, sa susunod. Huwag pong pilitin. Yeah? Okay, relax tayo. It's New Year, new beginning. Ang new moon message is about long-term goal. Yeah? Okay, simula pa lang ng taon. So let's start the year right. May all positivity and also prepare tayo sa new growth at opportunities. Check natin. 16 to 31 January. What Capricorn needs to know? What Capricorn needs to know? One card lang, one card. What Capricorn needs to know? Oh, okay, mabilis. Okay, yeah. Page of Pentacles. Yes, okay. So, offer, job offer, structure, preparation, bata, ambitious, pero nag-iisip pa rin siya. Ano yung expectations and also what he can expect sa daigdig. Kung ano yung role niya. Yeah, okay. That's the proper word. Kung ano yung role niya sa society. Yes? Okay. So, this is a good start, Capricorn. Alam mo kung paanong magtrabaho and also the practicality ng buhay. Yes? Okay. Earth sign, Capricorn. Hardworking people. Yeah? Good start. 16 to 31st of January. Tignan natin ang storyboard ni Capricorn. 16 to 31. Okay, taking responsibility. Yan ang ano po, ang new moon reading. Yeah? Okay, tignan natin. Ano ang message pa to Capricorn this second half of January? One message. Okay, Page of Pentacle na nag-iisip, nagpaplano, maliit ang idea niya, bata, inosente, pero nandiyan yung desire, nandiyan yung questions, nandiyan yung mga right questions niya moving forward, yeah? So, i-align natin yan sa early part of the year of the horse, 2026, mabilis yung mga sitwasyon. Year of fire horse, mabilis mag-decision, mabilis mag-init ang ulo, mabilis magbago ang isip. So, what is the Capricorn, What is Capricorn drawing board? Yeah, tingnan natin. Sorry. Isang card. Give me one card. Storyboard ni Capricorn, January. Oops. Yeah, okay. Scorpio, Tower. Yeah. So, big shift. Looking forward sa changes na mangyayari towards beginning of the year. Preparation ito. So, structure, ito yung kailangan mo pang malaman at ano pa yung, you're asking question, ano pa yung dapat kong matutuhan? Ano yung dapat kong gawin? Ano yung ruta na dapat kong puntahan? Ano yung elemento na dapat kong i-explore para ma-achieve ko yung pangarap ko? Maliit lang siya, pero nakikita mo na you want to take responsibility at ayaw mo na ng maliit ngayon. Yeah, Capricorn? So, ano yan? Ano yung plano mo na yan? Yep. And your manifestation is answered. Yeah? Okay, Scorpio, death and rebirth, big change towards 2026. Expect more, expect more something beautiful on the horizon. Ayan, nakatingin ka rito. Yeah? Change. Internal yan. Maaring big shift externally sa kinagagalawan mo now. kinagagalawan mo now. Or internal change sa paniniwala at sa belief setting. Yeah? Okay. Tuloy natin. To achieve yung change na hinahanap natin, sometimes it have to go within us. Yes? Kung yung dating natatakot tayo na, sige, mag-a-apply na ako mag-abroad. Hindi na ako hindi na ako matatakot pa. Or mag-a-apply na ako dun sa ibang lugar. Or itutuloy ko na yung inuutang ko sa bangko para makapagpatayo na ako ng bahay na hino-hold mo. Yeah? Ngayon, magaganap na yan. Yung opportunity will open up. Yep. Kung hindi ikaw ang gagawa, yung universe na mismo ang gagawa. Yes, magbibigay siya ng signs. These are all signs. These are all beyond our control. Yeah? Halimbawa, binabaha. Yeah? Ayaw mo nang tumira dun sa bahay mo dahil naapektuhan yung income mo, yung kalusugan mo, and everything. Now, yung gobyerno na or yung situation na will open that opportunity at yung expansion na ito pong lugar na ito ay tatayuan na ng kalsada. So mahahagip po yung bahay ninyo and we have to take over your area para magkaroon ng ng dike or something. Yes? So wala kang choice kundi lumipat. Ganyan yan. Ganyan po yan. One blind spot. Let's give Capricorn a good reading. Bigyan natin ng isang magandang reading si Capricorn. Yeah, okay. So, yung pagbabago na yan will even make your structure and your happiness more exciting. Yeah? 4 of Wands, celebration. 11, higher vibration. Alamin mo kung ano yung gusto mo at ilagay mo sa drawing board is ilista mo, Capricorn, what makes you happy? Yes? Ano ba ang definition mo ng fulfillment? Yeah? Ano ang makapagpapasaya sa'yo na part of your dream na maliit pa lang pero hindi mo alam kung paano sisimulan? Yes? Bibigay ng message ang universe. It can be, katulad ng sinabi ko, beyond our control. Yeah? Merong opportunity sa ibang lugar pero ayaw mo, natatakot ka dahil wala kang pera, panglagay, those things, yung mga ganong message, yes. So, magkakaroon na ng sign or ways ang universe mismo na siya ang magmo-move sa'yo, yes. It can be, hindi po sinasabi na magiging libre yung placement, yeah, okay. So, maaari sasabihin sa'yo noong employer, okay, ano na lang ito, kailangan namin talaga yung position and salary deduction for 2 years contract. Ganun tipo yan. Or, yung mismong nag-offer sa'yo, sila na mismo ang magbibigay ng allowance or it can be yung tipong, na talaga, 5 years contract, ngayon, kailangan mo magstay doon, otherwise, i-deduct nila sa'yo. Those kind of shift, okay? Big shift ito. Just focus on the reward, yeah? Ano ka dito? Parang laser sharp yung focus mo dito. Kaya lang, hindi mo lang siya maintindihan kung paano mo siya sisimulan. Yeah? Hindi mo alam. I do not know. Yun ang napifeel ko. Kaya, binuhusan ka ng tubig na malamig dito. Yeah? Yung universe na. And it's moving to the direction na makapagpapasaya sa'yo. Ang tanong, handa ka ba na kapag nagbukas yung opportunity, handa ka bang it's either to celebrate or you feel stuck. Okay? Tower, painful yan. Inner work yan. Inner work po yan. So, Scorpio, death and rebirth. Kung meron kang Scorpio sa placement, somebody na mahihingan mo ng advice. Yeah? Tama ba ang patutunguhan ko, Scorpio? Those kind of questions. Yeah? Okay. Inan natin. Ituloy natin yung drawing board, yung storyboard ni Capricorn. Yep. Okay. One message. One message. Blind spot. What Capricorn needs to know. Definitely, structure. Simula ng taon, parang gumagawa ka ng dito ng simple New Year's resolution. Okay? Yung Capricorn na nakikita ko mukhang he wants, napagod na. Napagod na sa sitwasyon, status ko to. So, hindi mo lang alam kung paano sisimulan. Yeah? Hindi mo alam paano sisimulan, pero biglang nagbukas yung kapalaran. Yan ang team. So, tayo yan? We need to, we need to embrace that. Yep. Okay, kapag hindi natin in-embrace yung opportunity, po yan? Magiging missed opportunity, and that's true. Okay. Okay, Four of Swords, headspace to. Yes. Kung stress ka, kung paano sisimulan yung solution, naghahanap ka ng solution dito. Yes. Ipahinga mo, literally. Itaas mo rin yung pananampalataya mo kung saan humuhugot ng belief setting mo. Yeah. Kung sa religion mo, sa faith mo, or sa surrounding mo, o sa simbahan. Yes, community. It can also be community. Physically and mental rest, kailangan mo. Mukhang meron kang dapat paghandaan. Yeah? As simple as that. Four of Swords, headspace yan. Okay? I-anohin mo yan. I-tap mo rin yung possible message na kapag yung nag-iisa ka, or yung nagme-meditate ka, or even sa pagtulog at sa panaginip, minsan nakakakuha tayo dyan ng simple subliminal message. Yes? Okay. Connect mo yan. Very important. Related to the tower at big ship na patutunguhan mo. This is expansive. Yeah? This is very expansive. Nagsimula ka sa page, and you move to Four of Wands, which is structure, at saka yung dream mo to achieve it. Yeah? Parang fairy tales ito. Yep. Fairy tales can still happen, Capricorn, as long as you put effort on this one. Yeah? Tingnan natin. Ituloy natin. This is interesting. Nothing is impossible. Nothing is impossible, Capricorn. Okay, bigyan natin ng continuation. Buuin natin. This is like a prelude noong 2026 mo. One blind spot, Capricorn. One blind spot, Capricorn. What else Capricorn needs to know? One blind spot. Okay, kung nagpaplano ka lumagay sa tahimik, I can see also here relationship, structure, wedding. Hindi ganun kadali yon, kasi lalo kapag halimbawang may budget ka or marami kang obligasyon, alam mo, mukhang nagka-calculate ka rito. I do not know kung ano yung itinanim mo prior month or prior year, pero this is something na ayaw mo na yung situation mo now. And 2026 is a lot of big shift, pagbabago na mangyayari. So we need to be ready. We need to be prepared. Okay, one blind spot, Capricorn. What Capricorn needs to know? Oops, okay. May hangover. Okay, one more blind spot. One blind spot. What Capricorn needs to know? Okay. Upright. Okay, sorry. Nakabaliktad pala yung ko. Okay, upright ito. Okay, are you dealing with Leo? King of Wands, okay? So, kung pinanghihinaan ka ng loob, I think pinanghihinaan ka ng loob dito. Okay. Naamoy mo na yata itong situation na there will be a big change. Okay, hindi ko sugarcoat. Ito yung tipong Kung nasa trabaho ka, yung kumpanya pinapasukan mo, naamoy mo na magsasara siya. Ganun tipo ito. Ngayon, nagwo-worry ka na baka makasama ka sa retrenchment. Yes? Okay. Pero itong Capricorn na nasa harapan ko, nagka-calculate ka, ano to, yung risk-taking mo, ina-analyze mo, kung halimbawa matanggal ka, ano yung option mo. Yes? Okay. But apparently, you're moving to the right direction na hindi ka na mayroon pang opportunity. Yes? Maaring uh, mawalan man yung present job mo, there's a replacement which is better. Yeah? Yung status ko na gusto mong magbago kasi out of boredom, let's say matagal ka na nagwo-work doon and you want to have a big change for a better future, it will happen in your favor because of this Four of Wands here. Yung strukturang hinahanap mo, family-wise, you're gonna get that even way better than what you have now. Maliit lang yung nasa wallet mo dito. Yeah? Yung effort na ibinibigay mo, maliit din. Palakasin mo pa yung loob mo. Yeah? So, King of Wands is telling you, keep that strength and that passion alive. Yeah? You're the king of the jungle. If you're dealing with Leo or meron kang Leo placement, somebody na to push you or somebody na to motivate you, kumuha ka sa kanya ng inspirasyon. But kung meron kang Leo placement, that king of one, hawak mo yung ace, anything is possible for you, just you need to push out some more. Yung ito ka, originally, okay, Capricorn, sabi mo, okay, maliit lang yung talent ko, ito lang ang mai-offer ko, pero malaki yung pangarap ko. Yeah? Start of the year, 16 to 31 of January, keep that fire burning. Yung mismong King of One ang nagsasabi, Capricorn, yung hindi mo nare-realize na akala mo maliit lang yung contribution mo, pero malaki yung impact mo sa situation. Kung ano man tong kinagagalawan mo. Well, there's no such thing as maliit na contribution kapag ang universe na mismo ang nagbigay sa'yo ng award na you gonna get that reward. Okay? So, ang ibig sabihin nito, maski na ikaw ay waiter sa isang barko, okay? Yung value na ibinibigay mo, you didn't realize na akala mo maliit lang dahil waiter ka lang, okay? Yung effort at yung mindset mo is something that you need to change. Kaya sabi ko, tower is internal work po yan. Minsan kasi, we devalue yung value natin as a person and as a human being. Moving forward, you can only have that Four of Wands if you start trusting and believing in yourself. Yeah, that's another message para sa Capricorn na nandirito. You don't need to worry. Four of Swords is something na I'm sure may nagwo-worry ka. Meron kang pinag-iisipan, namomroblema ka. Ano, what if matanggal ako? What if hindi ako makakita? What if anong pababayad ko? What if pagpapadala ko sa pamilya? What if pambayad ng tuition ng anak? What if may magkasakit? What if wala akong labang walang laman yung bangko ko? Things like that. Understandable. Kasi yun ang structure na kinagagalawan po natin, okay? The universe is telling you after this big shift, even before these things happen, you need to take a rest kasi mas malaki yung patutunguhan at mag-open for you, Capricorn. Yeah? Hindi mo nakikita. This is your blind spot. King na mismo, but you need to own that. Okay? Mukhang nagdududa ka rito. Yeah? Nagdududa ka ba, Capricorn? Nagdududa ka ba sa kakayahan mo na kaya mo ring magkaroon ng buhay na maganda na hinahanap mo at pinapangarap mo nung bata ka na nakatira ka sa palasyo? Yeah, yung definition po niyan, yung struktura ng buhay, ano yung masasabi mong masaya ka at kontento? Yeah? 11-11, higher vibration, believe in yourself. Yan ang sinasabi. Yung learning lesson ng the tower, kung ano mang mangyayari dito, it's something for you to grow. Yan ang means, it's gonna be painful. I'm not gonna sugarcoat that. Kung ano itong change na nangyayari, painful, but it's a learning lesson to take more responsibility at saka nire-redirect ka ng universe to a better 2026. Yeah? Okay. I-prove natin yan. Kuha pa ako dito. Okay. This is interesting. Sana all to. Okay. This is interesting. Yeah, sa simula pa lang ng taon, Capricorn. This is interesting reading. Okay. Yeah. Kuha ko dito. I need to get the blind spot. Outcome, outcome, outcome. Okay. One card. One card to Capricorn. Hardworking people. Three-dimensional. Yeah. Alam mo yan, alam mo, practical ka, alam yung personality mo, practical, at saka alam mo magbanat ng buto, hindi ka natatakot na hindi kumain ng 3 beses, alam mo kung paano ka didiskarte. So, dapat magpahinga ka. Pagpahinga mo kasi mas marami kang adventure. Yung journey mo for 2026 is very expansive. And, yeah, okay. Four of Pentacles, okay? So, maging practical ka lalo. Yeah, practical. Huwag mo nang to overdo things. Take care of yourself. Yeah? Four of Pentacles, ito yung nagtsatsyane, pero meron ka pa rin mahuhugot. Walang problema. If you need to be alone to strategize and to focus, yung priority mo, go for it. Yeah? That's one message. Okay, ituloy pa natin. One more blind spot. Yun ang higher purpose mo for this 2026, especially 16 to 31 of January, to start strategizing and being practical. Yeah? Okay. I'm not saying na hindi practical ang Capricorn, pero yeah, okay. Did I say you meron kang Leo na placement? Yes, okay. You need the strength. Inulit niya yung sinabi. Okay? King of Wands, that's the strength card. That's the Empress. Tinetame niya. Okay? Yung fire element, okay? If you're dealing with somebody na fire, na it's either Sagittarius, Leo, or Aries, yun doon ka humuhugot ng energy, keep that inspiration open. Higher vibration, kaya mong patahimikin yung leon. You are the king of the jungle. Yun ang sinasabi dito. Yung internal strength mo, yung power mo, itap mo kasi you didn't realize. You didn't realize that you have that. Okay, ituloy ko pa. One more card. Kunin ko dito. Okay? Kung pinahihinaan ka ng loob, wag. Ipahinga mo. One more blind spot. One more blind spot. Capricorn. Capricorn. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Ang dami mong opportunity. Yes. Careful lang sa in making a decision. Huwag padalos-dalos. That's one message. Yeah. The opportunity. Very expansive. Parang sinabi dito na poging-pogi ka. Ang ganda-ganda nitong Capricorn. Nasa harapan ko. Okay. One more. One more. Makikita natin yan sa susunod na reading. I just want to gusto kong ituloy yung new moon and full moon, i-connect siya towards the 2026 reading, yung alignment niya and yung yung storyline. Yeah? Okay. Makikita natin yan. One more. Give me one more blind spot. One more blind spot. Nag-ano ka rito? You are manifesting. You are manifesting. Nagwo-worry ka dahil sa maaring sa pamilya or even to your career. Yeah? Okay. One more. Blind spot. Blind spot. Blind spot. Capricorn. Capricorn. Bigyan natin ng oops, hindi isa yan. Isa lang. Outcome, 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 outcome. Yeah. Dealing with Scorpio. I-balance mo yung headspace, yung emotion. Yeah. Marami ko nakikita niya for this year. Balance is one of the message ng full moon for January. this 3rd of January. Okay? So, i-check mo rin, Capricorn, baka may message sa'yo yung full moon. Okay? Headspace, emotion, at saka yung offer. Walang problema. May tutulong sa'yo and people surrounding you loves you, appreciate you. Okay. Kuha pa ako na isa. One. Meron pang gustong sabihin. One more card. Capricorn, Capricorn. May tower moments ka rito, Scorpio eh. Scorpio ito. Okay. Kung connected ka sa Scorpio. One card lang. One card, one card, one card. One card, one more. Yeah? Okay. Inulit niya na naman. Inulit niya itong Page of Pentacle. Okay? Pag inuulit na yan, it's a validation na you are moving to that direction. Okay. Nagsimula tayo sa Page of Pentacle. Maliit yung hindi mo alam kung paano magsisimula. Pero there's a news coming. There's a news coming. Okay? And you're gonna find that independence. Nine of Pentacles. Yeah? Ito yung wish fulfillment mo. Yes? Towards the happiness. So, kung ano man tong change na pagbabago na pinaplano mo, or this is unexpected, yeah? Pero mukhang naamoy mo na Capricorn. Yes? So, it can be, sa scenario, it can be kung sa relationship issue to, you're moving to the right direction and I can see marriage here. Yes? So, meaning, yung relationship, it can be sa partner mo or work-related, meaning, magiging solid palalo. Or if there will be changes sa trabaho, expansion will be happening and you will have another offer. Yeah? Just be cautious on yung yung isip, tsaka yung emosyon, i-balance mo yan kasi baka mahilaw ka doon. Okay? Offer of love, may darating, marami, people are loving you, surrounding you. Sabi ko nga, ang dami mong opportunity dito. Poging-pogi at ang ganda-ganda mo towards this 16 to 31 of January. You have that independence. Yeah? So spend time. Spend time with yourself, no problem. Magpahinga ka, there's nothing for you to worry. Mindset, headspace, nothing for you to worry. And the tower moment, big shift, if you're not expecting this, siguro ang ano dito ang advice sa'yo is just keep it to yourself. Yeah? Keep it to yourself, introspect, kasi kapag naisulat mo na kung ano talaga yung gusto mo, yung higher vibration on what you really like, ito yan, because you have the strength card, you have the Leo placement in you. Leo, Scorpio, na malaki yung epekto niya sa surrounding mo, okay? Keep it to yourself or siguro dun sa close lang sa'yo. And then, you're gonna get that decision, yes? You're gonna have that decision na solid, moving to that happiness and fulfilling life na pinapangarap mo. Yeah? Okay. So, magpapakape ka. Magpapakape itong Capricorn na nasa harapan ko. Okay, one Moon Oracle card to complete the reading. Yep, maraming big shift po. Itong maraming pagbabago is 2026. Lahat maapektuhan, especially ang fire sign. Ang Leo, Aries, and Sagittarius. Okay, now, kung may Aquarius ka, okay, air sign na nagbibigay siya ng inspiration. Sabi dito, the time is ripe for celebrating life. Make the most of parties, gatherings, and other social opportunities. Okay? Another subliminal meaning would be, yeah, okay. So, surround yourself with, people na like-minded. Yes? There's no need for you to worry. Rest. Rest can be physical rest or go out and connect with people. Merong merong kang makikita, merong kang makikilala at merong kang inspirasyon na makukuha. Yeah? Okay. So connect with the right people. That's another message. Yeah? Okay. 16 to 31 of January, Capricorn. So sana po ay nag-enjoy kayo. So salamat po.